Close safety door before operation. Step onto OPS safety pedal. Turn the key switch to on. Release emergency stop button. Press and hold to raise the operator platform. Press and hold to lower the operator platform. Press and hold to raise the load tray. Press and hold to lower the load tray. Press the horn button when necessary. Push right handle forward to move forward. Pull right handle back to reverse. Push steering control forward left handle to steer left. Pull steering control back left handle to steer right. Ground emergency control panel. Hold the unlock button and press the lowering button. Lower the operator platform from ground level. Hold the unlock button and press the lifting button. Lift the operator platform from ground level. Emergency stop buttons are available at multiple positions. Turn the key switch to off. Exit the operator platform safely. Open the charging port cover.